Sound Easy Pump is a simple and affordable semi-integrated retrofit solution you can easily upgrade, one pump at a time. Are you wondering just how easy it is to install? Let's take a look at a real example of some of our installations. First, we are going to remove the old components from the pump. It's literally just a few screws and they pop right out. Sound Easy Pump works with most major pumps and works seamlessly with your existing system. Next up, we need to install the Sound Easy Pump template. Again, just a few screws. The final step is to mount the pre-configured Sound Easy Pump IM20 card reader into the template and secure it with the bracket. Plug it into the power cord and start it up. Now it's time to power it up. Call or email us today so we can get you EMV compliant.